Nestled in spectacular Vancouver, British Columbia, Eton College is centrally located. Situated near the downtown core, close to beautiful False Creek and the 2010 Olympic Village, city life is easily accessible. Here at Eton College, we take great pride in our commitment to quality education and outstanding student care. We have a diverse, multicultural learning environment with highly qualified faculty of instructors, friendly and supportive staff with a welcoming attitude. Student success is at the core of everything that we do.
I was actually looking at getting in the cruise lines, and Eton College kept coming up on the website. I ended up coming for an interview and had a really good feel about the school, a really good vibe.
What makes Eton College students special is probably the fact that they came to the tourism and hospitality industry. These are people industries. This means that these students are wanting to work with people for the rest of their lives.
I picked Eton College because of its high standard and its reputation. I actually started with the flight attendant course, and I really enjoyed their field trip. We just had a mock flight, so for me it was like a real experience.
Eton College specializes in hospitality management, travel and tourism, and flight attendant preparation programs. In addition, we offer our students the business administration program. When combined with our hospitality or travel and tourism programs, a student has the ability to transfer their credits to our partner colleges or universities after 18 months of studying our courses.
Our hotel deals with about 10 different schools to host interns. I chose Eton College as one of them because they are very professional in their demeanor and their presentation. They present well in terms of their interviewing skills, and they seem to be very knowledgeable about the industry as well. We're not looking for volume of students, we're looking for quality of students.
At Eton College, I took travel and tourism and flight attendant program. I graduated last July. They really help you throughout your schooling and even after.
At every stage of the education process, from the moment the student walks through the door to look for a program option right up to the time they finish and leave us, they get very dedicated attention at many levels and from many different individuals.
My passion really comes from being able to bring all my work experience, my life experience, into the classroom, engage with the students and encourage them to see that this is a really exciting lifestyle. It's not just about going to work 9 to 5, this is something more than that. It's more about the opportunity to travel the world, to work in different industries.